Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. For today's video, I will be doing a Staud unboxing. I'm not sure if you guys are all familiar with this brand. It is a Staud brand. So this one is founded in 2015 here in Los Angeles, California by Sarah Staudinger and her partner George Augusto. So yeah, they are I think they are located, their warehouse is actually located here in Los Angeles. And more likely, the Staud is more into the market for a high-end aesthetic at an affordable price. So if you wanted to see the entire collection of Staud, you might want to check the website. And my very first purchase from Staud, I think it was a couple of years ago. And I love the quality of their purses, the leather that they used, and of course, on top of that, the price is highly affordable. And if you got lucky, at the end of the year, sometimes at the end of summer or spring, they do have final sale, which the price of the items are marked down, and wow, it was like, I would say, a $500 purse, you could, they're selling it for like around $100, and it's worth it. It was totally worth it. It's because the quality is amazing, the attention of details, and also the leather that they used is luxurious. So anyway, I have two items here. Both I got them on sale, and I was so excited. So anyway, this is the first item that I got. So yeah, I could just easily pull that up like that. Okay. Oh my gosh, this is so cute. Oh my goodness. So, oh my gosh, look at that, guys. Oh my gosh, the color is stunningly beautiful. Wow. So this is a Staud Louis mini bag. So as you guys can see right there, this is really like smaller than I thought. Oh my goodness. So let me just take off some of the stuffing right here, and I'll show you so that I will be able to show you the interior of this purse, okay? Okay. So this one came in with a dust bag. Very lovely. So this is our dust bag. It is very, very soft. It is a drawstring bag. And this is how it looks. It is so cute. And this one is in the color Bordeaux. Yeah, more likely, I think the burgundy or maroon color. They are, they're just like the same family, I think, like more likely a dark red color. So this is how it looks. And so this one inside, this is how it looks in the interior. It has a strap. Oh wow. The strap is very, very soft, which is also made up of this beautiful, beautiful calf skin leather. Wow. Very soft and supple. So this one is a brass hardware. It says right there, Staud. It is engraved with their brand. And that's how it looks inside. And the lining for this purse is actually microfiber. Very, very soft. And also, the closure for this piece is a drawstring. But since this one is in a mini bag, I don't think I would use this drawstring actually. So yeah, you could just pull this one right there and you'll be able to close the purse. But the purse is so tiny, so I don't think I would use that. Wow, this is like a mini bag. And also right here, the top handle, as you guys can see right here, on the top handle, it is so lovely. It is more likely it's a knot. Yeah, they tie this one like as a knot. And for some reason, The top handle reminds me, I mean, the purse itself reminds me of a Bottega Veneta. Like, really. Wow. Very, very lovely. And also the material that they use, the leather is very soft and supple. Wow, very nice. Yeah, the top handle, this one is really, really soft. And you could literally see that this one is made up of a luxurious leather though. Wow. So this one was originally priced as 350 US dollars. I think I got this around $100, which is a great deal. So this is the Louis bag. I think this one has already been sold out on the website. I just checked the website and they are completely gone. And also look at that, the interior, guys. Look at the top handle right there. The attention of details at the top handle. Oh my goodness, this is amazing. This is how it looks at the bottom. At the bottom, it says Staud right there, which was actually embossed. And since the material is, yeah, this one is really soft. And obviously, this one is prone with scratches. So as you guys can see right here, you can already see some sort of imperfection around the corner. Right here as well, I'm actually seeing that, but it doesn't matter because that's just the nature of the leather itself. I mean, wow, this is amazing. So this is my first item. So cute. So the second item, let's see what we have here. So they put this one in this lovely packaging. Sometimes, guys, when you see something on the website that they put in sale, you might be thinking it's a return or it's a defective. Maybe I don't think it, not all the time, I guess, because I have purchased items in the past that even if they mark it down, that's because of some flaws around it. But yeah, probably it varies though. It varies though because this one is heavily discounted. So anyway, oh my gosh, look at that. Oh my goodness. This is a moon bag and this is on the mini side. So I got two purses right here on a mini size, and it's the same color. It is in Bordeaux color, and I think this color is perfect for fall. That's the reason why I purchased it. And wow, the leather, it's very, very soft. It looks so luxurious, and as you guys can see right there, the pleated leather design in it, it's amazing. This one is very well done, and this particular piece has a contrasting stitching right here, which is in white. So this one would stand on its own. I think this one would stand on its own. Wow, this is actually prettier than I thought. On the website, it's just like a moon bag, but in person, it is very, very shiny. Wow, very lovely. Oh my goodness. So this one came in with a strap right here. Okay, so yeah, this one is, I think this one is new because this one still has all the packaging attached to it. So this is the strap, and I was hoping the strap is, yeah, it is adjustable. As you guys can see right here, the buckle, it has a brass hardware, and yes, I love that it is adjustable. I just love the shape of it. Wow, very nice. So once again, it has this dust bag. The inside, oh, the inside has this, I think this one is actually lined with suede though. Oh my gosh. and it smells so good. It smells like the real leather, and it is very soft and shiny. Oh my goodness, I can't believe it. And do you guys know how much I paid for this? I paid 122 US dollars. That's before tax. So for $130, you'll have this. Oh my gosh, it's gorgeous. Yeah, I would say that the material that they use is amazingly beautiful. So yeah, this is in a mini size. I think they have it in large, but that is too big for me though. So yeah, this is the mini soft moon bag, and this is around 350 US dollars. Very nice. This is how it looks in the inside. Love the contrasting stitching right there, which is in white. Let me just see this right here. Oh, okay. There is more into this. The detail of this piece. Look at that right there. It says it was actually the stud right there were actually embossed, and you can remove this like that. So that's how it looks. And it has a contrasting stitching right there, which is in the white color. I don't know what is the use of this. Maybe it is just for the branding. So why they put it like that. But it is cute. The detail for this piece is so cute, guys. For the holiday, for the dinner, perfect for just a girl's night out. This one is so cute. It is perfect. Wow, it's so cute. Wow, I've been wanting to get the one from Bottega Veneta as well. And I say it's almost $2,000, and it is tiny. And I know the quality is really good for that because, but I was thinking that maybe I should try Staud. But yeah, look at that. It looks amazingly beautiful. Yeah, the interior is a little bit small though. That's because it is in a mini size. But yeah, you could fit your phone right here. And it is, oh wow, very nice. It seems like this one is as magnetic. I don't know what's in here, but so the closure, I'm a little bit confused because this is where you could hook the strap on the side right here, and the closure for this, I don't know. Yeah, this would probably just stayed open like this, but the inside has this suede lining. It is so beautiful. Let me get my phone. So this is one of the biggest phone from Apple. I think this fits right there. Yeah, you just need your phone, your keys, and your card holder, and that's it. This one is so cute. So this one is still available on the website right now, and it's still on sale. It is final sale, meaning to say that once you purchase it, it is final. You cannot return it or you cannot exchange it. But probably there's an exception to that. If you got an item or receive an item that is defective, maybe with the exception of that, but I'm not sure because majority of the items that I received from them on the final sale, they are in great and brand new condition. But yeah, there's always an exception for everything. But anyway, oh my gosh, look at those two lovely items right there. They're amazing. I will definitely gonna recommend Staud. That's because I have several of Staud bag and that I've purchased in the past couple of years, and they're still amazing. They still look brand new, and the craftsmanship for these pieces are amazing. The leather and also the prices is highly affordable. So anyway, that's it for today, guys. Thank you for watching, and I will see you in my next video. Bye.